Hello guys. Hello. This is the handcuff 360. It can flip and turn and touch. There is also one thing it can do. You can squeeze it.
Water resistant, even you are taking bath, ligo kag dagat.
Only the screen is water resistant.
Don't want
Wi-Fi, you can go to the internet.
What side?
What are you gonna watch?
You can touch the screen.
You can also pocket size, you can flip it 3 times I think. This 1, 2, and you can 1, 2, 3, and then you can put it in your pocket, and you can. It is safe and yeah.
This is voice activated. When you say playtime, it will become a Rubik's Cube.
In here, we have a keyboard of computer.
You can play Dota.
Yeah. You can also have a chat and chatmate. And you can take it into cell phone like this, and you can text or whatever you want.
The security here is automatic. When somebody will say, this, I'll steal the cell phone, the cell phone will explode.
So you can flip it on in 360 degrees. If you flip it in more than 360 degrees,
You can squeeze it.
okay, go get that. Last ability of your cell phone.
You can touch it.
Green? You can touch it. May nana-announcement. Kuy na nesen mo? Wala.
Go and run.
Pulian mo ba eh? Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Afternoon safety to this coming February 12, there will be a pre-Valentine's program in the afternoon. There will be a contest, a year-level contest, sing and dance number, introduction number. If you have any suggestions or if you want to join, just approach your proper company.
Hokate.